of the one, humble in the rise of sun.
Melanin can absorb a broad spectrum of electromagnetic radiation and change it, thereby serving as a protective role against UV damage in human skin. Human skin is repeatedly exposed to ultraviolet radiation, UVR, that influences the function and survival of many cell types. Isaiah 13 verses 12 to 14. I will make a man more precious than fine gold, even a man than the golden wedge of Ophir. Melanin protects your cells, absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays, provides pigmentation to your skin, eyes, and hair. Protect your hair as it is an antennae. Protect your children. God does not use the term single mothers.
Walking paths of purity, in their shadow mountains move, in their strength we find a groove. Sons of God, how they rise.
Ezekiel 33 verse 6. But if the watchman sees the sword coming and does not blow the trumpet, and the people are not warned, and the sword comes and takes any one of them, he is taken away in his iniquity, but his blood will be require of the watchman's hand. The more challenging battles are the one you fight with yourself, and the one to contend with replicas of you. 2 Kings 6 verses 16 to 18. Fear not, for they that be with us are more than they that be with them. 17 And Elisha prayed, and said, Lord, I pray thee, open his eyes, that he may see. And the Lord opened the eyes of the young man, and he saw, and, behold, the mountain was full of horses, and chariots of fire round about Elisha. John 11 verses 39 to 40. Remove the stone. Martha, the sister of the deceased, said to him, Lord, by this time there will be a stench. Did I not say to you that if you believe, you will see the glory of God? Your ancestors named the animals. Genesis 2 verse 20. The man gave names to all livestock, and to the birds of the heavens, and to every beast of the field. But for Adam there was not found a helper fit for him. God goes before you in battle to free earth. Deuteronomy 31 verse 8. The Lord is the one who goes ahead of you, he will be with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. Proverbs 13 verse 22. A good man leaves an inheritance to his children's children, and the wealth of the sinner is laid up for the just.
Sons of God, how they rise. Strength and grace in their eyes. Going to see their purpose.
The heavily melanated angels can absorb radiation. The Most High is in control. Psalm 104 verse 5. Who laid the foundations of the earth, that it should not be removed forever. Psalms 35 verses 1 to 25. Contend, Lord, with those who contend with me, fight against those who fight against me. Take up shield and armor, arise and come to my help. Control the chaos within you, humble yourself to the will of the Most High, and you will begin to dominate the earth. Pray to the God of your forefathers. You are a transformer. You are not here to corrupt yourselves with conformation. You are here to reform. What's being discovered is what you already know. Go within. This is not reparation. It is redemption and restoration.
In their shadow mountains move, in their strength we find a groove.
For men who have done the work on yourselves, the source will restore your powers. Romans 12 verses 6 to 8, having them gifts differing according to the grace that is given to us. Ephesians 6 verse 12, for we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. Ecclesiastes 9 verses 11 to 12, I returned, and saw under the sun, that the race is not to the swift, nor the battle to the strong, neither yet bread to the wise. You must endure.
Stand to face the storm, in their hearts the fire warm, guided by the holy call, never falter, never fall. Sons of
Revelation 3 verse 11. Behold, I come quickly, hold fast that which thou hast, that no man take thy crown.
going to see their purpose clear, faithful warriors never fear. From the start they held the spark, in the day and in the dark, sculpted by your hand divine, humble hearts and humble time. Bound by fate and destiny, walking paths of purity,